Hi everyone, what is going on? My name's Jamie Palmer and welcome to the final video before the release date for the 7.0, which is actually going to be this Sunday. So yes, this week has been extremely busy for me. I mean, I didn't realize just how busy we would be. I mean, the amount of emails that people have sent me, messages asking about the 7.0, how it's been performing, when can they pre-order it. So yeah, this weekend and next weekend, oh my god, is going to be insanely busy, but it's good, you know. We're slowly putting our footprint on the globe, which is something I'm very proud of. Like I said, we've got nearly 2,000 members, 14,000 free members, you know, and I never thought I'd get that when I first started the Binary Destroyer some 3 years ago in my bedroom. Look at GPUSD. Okay, so following on from the video I made on Monday where I was trading the MOGY strategy without a stop loss, and I actually pretty much, oh, here we go, 10 pips. Just going to wait till these hit 10 pips. I'm going to, there we go, there's one. I'm going to close another one, and I'm just going to set this one. There we go. So I'm going to set a stop loss just to cover my initial. So stop loss of, let's go 2 pip stop loss. Okay, done. Right, done. So yes, following on from that yesterday's or Monday's video when I was trading the MOGY strategy without a stop loss, and it gave me the confidence to trade this on a live account. So as you can see here, I've got this beautiful buy signal. Notice how the RSI's come oversold as well. Now I actually took this on binary as well, and as you can see, 1 2 3 4 5, a nice binary trade won. Obviously this is against the trend, and that's why I've just set a stop loss of 2 pips. I actually took 3 trades on this, okay? And I'll just show you here now, okay? You can see those first 2 trades, GPUSD, and as you can see, nice £67 in the bank. And then obviously I've got another open trade as well, currently sitting at around 4 pips. So I'm going to pop this like this, so you can actually still see the trade. And the pips as well. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you some of the results. I think I'm just going to get took out at the minute. No, we're still fighting. We're still going up. So I'm going to show you some of the results from the testers this week, and just generally showing you now on the charts how well the 7.0 has been performing. So we'll head over to the VIP group now, okay? And these are basically some of the testers' results. Like I said for me to, let me explain that again. I said to the testers, give me your honest opinion, okay, whether it's good or bad, you know, give me your feedback, so obviously we can improve on that. And some of the testers actually posted in the VIP group some of their results, as you can see for Michael. As testing is coming to an end, here is proof that the BD7 is killing it, providing you a sensible, looking forward to its release, guys, and trade safe. As you can see, some nice greens here. Mark as well, 5-minute trades on normal BD, 1-minute chart, BD 7.0 doing its job, and as you can see here, a lot of greens. And obviously Mark always trades on a live account because he's one of our full-time traders. So yeah, it's very good. I'm trying to say, a lot of people just talking about the 7. Here we go. Hi guys, so I've been trying to do a video, but finding time was difficult, as well as finding active live trades to take when you have other things to do. Basically, this is a video of my feedback on the BD 7.0. I also mentioned the AND strategy right at the end for someone who's just asked in the group, but literally 5 seconds. Okay, so this is me sharing some of the BD 7.0 testers results. Update for today's trading, Jamie. Tried the pullback today and on a 100% winning streak for today. 12 wins on 4 currencies and 4-0 on 4 indices. It's very, very easy, but easy is not what I'm looking for, consistency. So I thought maybe it's just luck. But when I back tested since the 3rd of January, and it's very, very hard to spot losses for a quick scalp on the 5-minute time frame for currencies and a 1-minute time frame for indices. I adjusted my settings slightly. He's basically adjusted the settings using the TCA to a period of 600 with a speed of 200 and added the 200 AMA. So yes, this is the group here. Let me see what that trade's then. So this trade's still in 6 bits profit, okay, which is good. Okay. So as you can see here, we'll just scroll up from the top. About 40 pips a day from the Mogwai strategy. When my computer decides to load. So I traded Mogwai. So I haven't traded Mogwai anything at all. Was going to give it a look wise. Jamie, latest video makes me feel like it could be a smart idea to have 2 trades open per trade, just half the lot size. So this is killing my brain. I'm trying to get you some results here. It just seems a bit of been playing around with the TCA line and moving average of 200 on the strategies. So what he means here, Mario, is the TCA line. Well, obviously the TCA line is this line here, as you can see the red and green on this small line here. So he is saying, been playing around with the TCA line and moving average of 200 on all strategies. I'm a firm believer of the trend, and I've came to the conclusion that on every strategy, if you use the TCA line and double confirmation, aka moving average, taking sales only below them or buys only above them, you will win 90% of the time. But truly and honest with you, I think Jamie can invent the best indicator in the world. Thank you. And heck, he can even let it be made out of gold. But what it comes down to is your risk management. Exactly. Okay, it's all about risk management. This trade is 7 pips. I'm just watching. Yeah, I'm using ANS. I'm trying to get you some results. As you can see here, you know, we're going on from Wednesday. No, not a lot. I don't know what you've done with your 7.0. Trying to wait for it to load up. Okay, so overall today, 41 pips, £22. Account balance from £251 from £50. That's really good. That's almost 500% gain. That is 500% gain. I've had the Mogwai mode on for most, just a few little observations. I've not been taking every arrow. If it's suddenly gone in a massive up and down trend, I've avoided them. Purely, as we can see, a lot of momentum, so it wasn't worth the risk. Also news, I've avoided just because I'm on a small account. I can get the picture of these for you, Jamie. Pullback strategy has been a nightmare. Very few trades I liked. It seems the bands are far too close, and no matter what I do with the settings, I can't get it consistent. I would carry on trying, but I'm running out of ideas. It is good, to be honest. 90% of my trades hit take profit. In fact, Sam, let me take it up here. So I think Sam, one of our testers as well, shared some results as well. So let me just go to the top here. So search Sam Evans. So there we go. Let's see what Sam says. Okay, here we go. Happy birthday, mate. See this as a nice setup and thought you could use it as advertisement. The things I do for you, eh? So I'm guessing from the looks of it, Sam took this signal here. Okay, I'm guessing he took that one there, and obviously the end result is, hold on, is there, as you can see here. So that's actually a nice winner. That's actually using the normal BD rules. I'll try and find you some more results. And I think pretty much that is it. As you can see, a lot of good results, and also talking about the pullback strategy, which I want to talk about now. So yes, this trade, I'm going to close this trade now. Okay, as you can see, closed, just hit 3 trades. And that, everyone, is £87 off this nice trade, which is, I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to get rid of that one there. So yes, what he means about the pullback strategy, okay. Look at that beautiful signal just here on EURUSD. Look at that. That is a beautiful signal. That it really is, this here. That is that there, everyone, is a really good signal. So what it means by the pullback strategy, okay, is let me just load up the pullback strategy and I will show you what I mean. Okay, Mogwai, I'm going to change that to the pullback strategy. So what Michael and Sam mentioned about the pullback strategy is because the zones no longer repaint, okay, every single one of our strategies has to be tweaked to make it better, let's say. Okay, you know, when we're using the 6.0, the 6.0 would repaint, okay, and it was massively frustrating. Now the 7.0 doesn't repaint. We've obviously got to factor that in when we're trading our strategies. You know, we kind of got to tweak them and adjust them to suit the 7.0. So this is the reason why we had the testers group, and a lot of people were saying in the testers group that the pullback strategy has changed a lot because the zones no longer repaint. Okay, but what a lot of testers don't, what they haven't included is actually including a moving average of 100, which will come standard when I release the 7.0 this Sunday, and I'll just show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to pop a 100 moving average in. Okay, and what we're doing basically with this strategy is taking the arrows. Okay, we see when we've got a candle in between the 100 and the BD line. These are the trades we take. So as you can see here, that was a nice winner. Okay, again here, okay, notice how price pulled down. That was a nice winner. So we're looking for a candle in between these zones. Now I haven't actually mentioned this to the BD members. Here's another one here. Okay, just there, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that one's a loss here. Okay, that one there, look, 1 2 3 4 5. So like I said, here's another one here, 1 2 3 4 5, another one there, 1 2 3. You see, as you can see, you take these all with the trend. I didn't actually tell the BD members, look, here's another one here, just there. I didn't actually tell the BD members this, okay, because I was hoping they would find out for themselves, but clearly they didn't. So yeah, I'll be going over all this in the release date video this Sunday. So the way it's going to work is this Sunday we're going to have a 3-hour-long webinar, and then obviously after that it will be available in the members area for you to download, and it will be available for the general public obviously Sunday night going into Monday. So yes, let's just have a look at that trade and see where it's going, as you can see here. So yes, I'm going to leave that there. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me or drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.